Hey folks, welcome back. This month has been challenging with trading. I took a big loss at the beginning of the month that wiped away my February and March profits. I have been trying to build back my confidence and work on the psychology, my mindset, and everything. This video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be sharing a raw video of my reaction shortly after this loss happened. I would make a separate video just detailing how I have been handling it, like all the mental hurdles I've been experiencing, just for someone out there that could be experiencing the same thing or just needs a little bit of reassurance that it's going to be okay. Let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you watch the whole thing. So I almost deleted my Instagram and YouTube account today. Yeah, mainly because of shame. I've been doing well for the past 2 months, and today all that was wiped away. Yeah. First thing, I took Tesla. Like I know I spoke to somebody recently and I said I don't trade Tesla, and this is why. Because I knew that thing, once it moves against you, it does move against you. And on a day like today where I just went full tilt mode and I averaged down on my position, I took a major loss. And it's not even the loss, it's just the process and stepping outside of the moment and realizing all the dumb shit that I did today. And it started with my market plan. I wasn't really dialed in today. I didn't make a clear, comprehensive plan for like a different scenario. Like it just I don't want to feel like this, like I want to take losses, but not this kind of losses that you just reflect after the fact and you're like, wow, that was really, really, really dumb. And the thing with me was that like I saw that I was wrong, and then like I had moments, okay, do I switch to calls now? So there was that internal battle in me to switch, but I just did not do it. And instead, like I doubled down on it. Like it came back a little bit. Like I would have been able to exit, but didn't. Painful day. Not my best moments. I don't know how I am going to move forward yet. I'm going to take time to reflect and come up with a game plan on how to build back up, because today wasn't a good moment. I know that how I approach this from here on out is what is going to make kind of shape up the following 3 months or rest of the year, whether I am able to patiently build back up, I just collapse and then I think about refunding my account to start all over again. But this journey is not easy. In a way, like when I finished my first quarter green, I was on the edge. I was like, oh, can I do this again? So again, I think all the fear and like anxiety got the best of me, and really gave in there. So I'm just making this video just to be vulnerable and just to share, like this is the journey. This is what it's like. It's not just always winning. Take losses to big ones, and I just happen to take it back. Yeah. Honestly, that's it. That's the video. This market in general has been really challenging to trade, and then having to deal with losing all my profits for the past 2 months and mentally dig myself out of the funk and to analyze what went wrong and fix the weak mindset that I had, and just to change and correct. It's gonna take time. I'm not in this journey for the short term. I'm here to do this for a really long time. So 1 month's result is not gonna define or set me back. I know that. I know this is what I want to do. So I'm really determined to fix it and continue improving, and I would continue to share with you all as I progress. This video I shared wasn't easy to release. I sat on it for a week. I was like, should I not? And I gave it more time, and I'm finally ready to share, so that's why I shared it. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for supporting me. I look forward to sharing my journey and sharing more educational content, and hopefully you learn from my mistakes. Until the next one.